Hello children, we are studying the chapter 8 and in the previous video I have explained you regarding farming that India's most of the people are engaged in farming, okay, and dairy farming and the poultry farming, and today we will study about the chapter 8 the same, but the topic is different, that is of forest based applications, fishing and mining, okay. So right now first of all I want to explain you about the forest based applications, what the people can do, which occupations is people can get in related from the forest based. Children, you know that people to earn money they are doing a various kinds of work, and all works are equally important children, because someone is doctor, someone is engineer, and someone is soldier, policeman, cobbler, okay. So everyone works is distributed, okay, they have their unique work, but one people can't do all the works, so we need the helpers, okay, and these people help to do our works, okay, and in place of that they are getting money, earning money. So everyone is helpful in our society, they are serving the in the society, okay. So they are all the kinds of work equally important, and work done with sincerity and honesty is the correct way to earn money, okay. People work at, you will see that some people are working at the stall selling flowers, groceries, someone electrician, teachers, plumbers, doctors, carpenters, barber, okay children. So they have the unique work and they all are doing the work to earn money to fulfill their demands, okay. So they have the own importance, they have the very important work they are doing for our society, and everyone is dependent, we all are dependent upon each other for their support, okay. If someone is doctor, then when we are falling sick, then they are helping to us, they are making us cure, they are giving medicines, okay. Engineers are making the flyovers, designing, okay, and building the flyovers, the bridges, okay. So they are construction in, they are doing the these all things, and mason making your houses, okay, plumber fitting the pipes which is wherever it is the leakage. So everyone have, cobbler mends your shoes children, barber cuts your hair. So everyone have their different and very important work in the society. So here we will study that how the everyone is important for us. So children, first of all we will study today the forest based occupations. And forest, you know, that provides shelter to animals, okay, many animals are living in the forest, insects also, and it provide timber for building, making buildings, houses, ships and furniture, okay, and it also brings the rain, it gives the fresh air, okay. So how the forests are important, but we are cutting nowadays lots of trees, okay, lots of trees. So children, these forests also people are engaged in for their occupation, okay, and for cutting the this trees, okay, people are for the furniture and various work, okay. Then some people are for in the forest, people are engaged in the occupation to collecting the honey, okay, they are rearing the honey bees there and collecting that for collecting the rubber, okay, in from which rubber is produced, okay. So that gum that is collected from a type of plants which I will show you. So many people work in the forest and the factories where these products are made also, okay, and where the furnitures and other timber items are prepared, many people are also working in that type of industries and factories, okay. So children, people who live near the forests collect various plant products, okay, and such as you can say that wood, rubber, gum, honey, herbs, nuts and fruits, and sell them for their earning money. So here you are looking that working in the forest, many people are engaged in forest for their occupation, for cutting, for the these trees for the making furnitures, collecting gum, honey, everything. Okay, so large part of our country is covered with thick forest, we know, and many people is working in these forests. Okay, someone they have the different work. Someone is cutting the cut wood, which is used to make what? Many things we can make, children. From these wood we can make the furniture, packing boxes. Okay, and matchbox you can also make. Okay, you have seen the matchboxes, children. Matchsticks, paper, cardboard, and wood is also used to build homes. And these furnitures as you are looking. Okay, so make furniture very beautiful from the wood. Carpenters are making using by some pieces of wood. It is making the very beautiful furniture. Okay, so these forest which we are finding the timber or wood, we can make many products through these wood. Now you are looking here from this furniture, this trees products, we can make the matchstick. Okay, matchboxes and paper and the cardboard. Okay, which you are studying book and copies, that is also prepared from the plants only. Okay, children, trees. And for making houses also it is used, windows, doors. Okay, it is prepared, children, and furniture. So these are prepared for wood is used to build homes also. And one more use of this wood is which is not very good in quality. So that type of wood is used to as a fuel. Okay, and trees also cut down to make paper. Okay, and for the fuel also these trees branches are used. Now next is the topic is fishing. So children, fishing is a very important occupation in the coastal areas. You have studied in the previous class also that fishing is the very important occupation in coastal areas. Okay, people go to oceans and they catches fishes. Okay, so the fishermen, who are the fishermen? A person that catches fish. Okay, they are called the fishermen. So children, in coastal areas fishing is an important occupation, and this occupation this is the staple food also in the coastal areas. Okay, mostly you will see in the coastal areas, as you can see the example of Kolkata. Okay, so this is the staple food in the coastal areas, and we also get oil and other products from fish. And children, fishes are sometimes also reared in big tanks. This is known as fish farming. Okay, we get oil and other useful things from fish, and fish are also processed and tinned for sending to far off places. The breeding and rearing of fish is called pisciculture. The breeding and rearing of fish is called pisciculture. So as you are looking, it is fish is also reared in big tanks. Okay, so this is known as the fish farming or pisciculture. Now the next topic I want to explain, that is mining. So mining involves digging out minerals such as iron, coal, magnesium and petroleum from the earth surface, children. Okay, and these minerals are found inside the earth, children, and these need to be dug out from the deep inside the soil. So the digging up the minerals from the earth is called mining. You can see here that mining involves digging out different types of minerals, children. Okay, the coal, iron, magnesium and petroleum, and it is digging out from the earth's surface. And many people are engaged in this occupation. Okay, where these places are rich in minerals, most of the people are engaged there in this occupation. Okay, so in some states of India that are rich in minerals, mining is an important occupation there. Okay, and some of these minerals are processed to get metals. Okay, these minerals are processed to get metals, and metals we can make various things. Okay, so metals are used to make utensils, pipes, machines, railway engines, automobiles and many other items also. Understood? So these you can see that to get metals are used to make these, from these minerals metals are used made, and to make utensils metals are used to make utensils, pipes, machines, railway engines, automobiles and many other items are prepared. And petroleum is also we are getting from inside the earth, okay, and petroleum is used to for what? Diesel, plastic and medicines. These are petroleum and diesel are very important to run the cars and buses or vehicles, isn't it? It is used. Without this vehicles can't move, children. So these are also dug out from the deep inside the earth. Without these fuels our vehicles can't run. So these petroleum are also we are getting from deep inside the earth, and you have must studied in the previous chapter that through the Bombay High, okay, we are getting it. And through the petroleum what we are getting? Petroleum gives us petrol, diesel, plastics and medicines. Petrol and diesels are used to run cars and buses and many more vehicles. So children, here many people work in the mines, steel plants and other factories which produce a wide variety of products. Okay, they are engaged in these factories and the industries. Okay, and different kinds of metals, fuels and chemicals are taken out from these minerals. And these materials like metals and plastics are made into useful goods such as utensils, buckets, toys, medicines, and you are looking here many more items. Okay, children, now you studied that mining involves digging out minerals such as iron, coal, manganese and petroleum from the earth's surface, and in some states of India that are rich in minerals, mining is an important occupation there, and some of these minerals are processed to get metals, and from metals many things are prepared like the utensils, pipes, railway engines, automobiles, etc. So up to here I had explained, children, and next topics I will explain you further, that is cottage industry and the urban occupations. So you will study this chapter very properly, give the reading, learn these all, give the readings of the chapter twice, thrice, and learn all the hard words properly and write it in your copy also very beautifully, children. Thank you. Children but must complete the exercises also ABC given in your book, that is dairy farming is also a rearing of cattle for milk. Okay, poultry farming is rearing of what you will write here for hens, sheep and goat. What will be the answers, children? So you will complete here. Fishing is the main occupation of people in the where coastal areas or deserts. So in the coastal area, if the answer, you will write here coastal areas. The digging up minerals from the earth is called what? Mining. Yes. Pisciculture is rearing of what? Silkworm, fish, bees. What you will write here? Obviously the fish one. Okay, like this also you complete the true false. We need money to buy things. Yes, we need. Okay, we need money. People do different jobs to earn money. This is also true. We get many valuable things from forest. So many valuable things is medicines and medicinal plants we are getting from the forest, children. Okay, so you will complete it here. You have to write the true, okay, and true. Okay, we get many valuable things from forest. Fish is good source of food. Yes, this is also true. India is very poor in minerals. No, some parts are very rich. Okay, so you will complete this exercise A, B and C. Okay, C also you will complete. Answer the following questions. I will explain in the next video, children. Thank you.